Those strong winds still gusting this noon, keeping crews busy today. In Newport, the wind brought these branches down on a dumpster. And this was the scene in Ware a little while ago, a tree across the road there. Power crews were ready to roll this morning. Right now, there are just under 1,500 outages around the state. Good afternoon and thanks for joining us this Friday. I'm Jean Mackin. The state is no longer in a wind advisory, and the warm weather we experienced yesterday is now on its way out. Meteorologist Kevin Scroop is in the Weather Center with a first look at the forecast.
Certainly it is all about the wind, not only gusting this afternoon, but from the direction that it is coming from, which is out of a northwesterly trajectory. And that continues to bring in colder air right out of central Canada. You will notice the temperature difference from 39 at the coastline to 19 in Whitefield. We had a situation at around 7 o'clock this morning where those numbers were about 38 degrees different. It was very cold air being funneled in, and it will continue to do so through the afternoon. Still a few gusts over 35 miles an hour. You will notice the current wind chills from the single digits up north to mid-20s in southern areas after highs yesterday were in the 50s to even a few lower 60s. So the colder air continues to funnel back in. Nothing more than some leftover snow showers in a few western and northern areas. And as the winds abate tonight, we drop back into the single digits and teens, only to have a weak system glide in tomorrow with snow showers and, yes, maybe a couple of brief snow squalls.